Niger Delta have told the north to mine the gold in the north and let Niger Delta concentrate on the oil in Niger Delta. Since the oil in Niger Delta, they be taking it and they are not cleaning the dirties and all the whole thing that the oil is causing them. And also went ahead and said that the northerners are stealing the gold in their land and selling it in the back without no contributing to Nigeria economy. He say in this issue, everybody go mind papa business. So my people, he don't read. As this one is happening, they say one man, and even though I know his name, we no go call his name for here. They say the man don't come outside, can't say that any Nigeria will go carry into for outside another any country. Say may they buy the Nigeria person. That one no be Sharia law what they talk about. However, I'm going to bring all this video up for you to watch. And before we come back and continue.
Good afternoon, everyone. My fathers, I greet you all. My brothers and sisters. First of all, I want to follow the path of Joy, I think, where she introduced herself. I want to say that I am of mixed parentage. My mother is British. My father is an Niger man from the Niger Delta, which is in Nigeria, in that order. Therefore, I align myself with my father. I am honored enough to be able to say that I remember pre-independence. I also remember the Biafran War, and I also very much remember the Niger Delta agitation, and we're now in the Boko Haram agitation. I want to stand on the first national anthem, which is really where my heart is. And there is one particular line that I hold on to. And it says, though tongues and tribes may differ, in brotherhood we stand. That is the Nigeria that I know. That is the Nigeria that I continue to belong to. That is the Nigeria that I respect. That is the Nigeria that I hope will stay together. But I am also not going to misinform anyone. I will not and do not intend to sacrifice who I am, which is an Niger person, and my region, which is Niger Delta, for the sake of Nigeria. Because nobody else is prepared to sacrifice their region for my people. We all together must form and rebuild a Nigeria that is equal, irrespective of number of where you come from. I do not want to deceive myself, and I will not be deceived, to think that because I am a Nigerian, that therefore I will deny my ethnicity. We are different people that make up this country, and we should be proud of that difference, and we should enhance that difference, and not use that difference to manipulate others. Alabo here has said what happened during the Niger Delta crisis. I want to be on record to say, and I have said it before, that what Nigeria is calling today peace in the Niger Delta is a peace that belongs to fool. I am not part of that. Because if nothing changes, we will go back and find ourselves in the same position where the output of oil was reduced to 700,000 barrels. The late Yaradua did not resolve or attempt to resolve the Niger Delta crisis because of his love for Niger Delta people. He resolved it because Nigeria needs the oil that is coming from the Niger Delta. We must put together a Nigeria that brings together all the resources that belongs to all Nigerians from all the 36 states. I am highly offended, my elders, when I hear people say our oil. How is the devastation not our devastation? How is the pollution of our land not our pollution? How is the killing of my people not our killing? And we're told that it is one Nigeria. We want it to be one Nigeria. I want it to be one Nigeria. My father, as I said, is a Nigerian. But I will not sacrifice my people for the sake of Nigeria. There is resources in every single state that is in this country. And therefore, it is about time that we sit down and bring everything to the table. I am highly offended by the comment of Sanusi that people are killing their fellow human beings because of derivation. If we're sharing derivation, what is it that Sanusi, what is in his state? What is he bringing to Nigeria? 9 states, including Lagos, because it is the commercial heart of Nigeria, is contributing to the wealth and distribution of wealth of this Nigeria. I therefore say again that 27 states in this country and their governors are lazy. They should look for what to do, how to develop their state, how to invest in their state. Let everybody bring what they have. Let all of us share it. I thank you.
Yes, thank you.
My people, welcome back. As you don't watch that particular video, I am going to show you the next video where this man, they open his mouth, they talk this about that. This one indirectly demand of their agenda will be Islamization or waiting they call Sharia law, because even the countries where they eat this thing, Europe, America, they never put this kind of law for their this thing. So why Nigeria that practicing democracy that somebody stand up, they bring this kind law, may they put down for this thing? Watch the video.
Why you want Nigeria to kill those who are being caught for drugs? You think that death penalty will actually be a good deterrent?
Yes, it's the best deterrent. If you don't go and do drugs, nobody will kill you. If you go and do drugs, you are killing people. In fact, you have killed, mostly, that means you have destroyed the life of many people, killed so many people. So if they kill you, you are only one. And you are saving these people that would have died because of what you are doing.
There are those who will say there is a kind of offense that is common to the political elite, which is corruption.
Yeah.
Why are we not using the death penalty?
Let me tell you. Before you come to us politicians, I know that is the direction you are going. We politicians, even if you call us anything, if you compare us to all the corruption, our own is a very small one. Where our corruption is people-driven. You steal all the money, you go and share it with the people. If you don't, you are not coming back after 4 years.
So that's the reason why most of you steal the money?
No. Some will go and keep it. There's no reason for stealing. I've been in the National Assembly. I can't say, people will not look at you on the TV now and say, I'm a clean person. No. I have to say the truth. If death penalty is supposed to be included in corruption, I will support it. But you don't go, somebody that stole 1 million, you go and kill him. And then somebody that stole 1 billion, you go and kill him. No, but I'm in support of saying you have progressive. If you steal 1 billion, maybe you go to life imprisonment or imprisonment for 20 years. I support that. But if you go and steal, like some people are hearing 1 trillion and the government's money, that means you have deprived so many people. No, that person should be killed.
So we should start thinking about that.
That too. But let's start with the drugs because it's the most important one.
Millions of Nigeria today are graduates, but they don't have work. They are working hard, creating work for themselves. And this man come up to say this. Why can't you come here and bring strategies on how to bring more investors or more companies, and so that people will get jobs, so that all these things will end? And look at the mentality this Mungolo Mutula. How do you even get to that place as a government official? How do you even get to that point, sef? Would you imagine the people that is ruling you people? Share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.